everyone, I'm Eun-Ying, a final year public relations student at Taylor's University. Welcome to the Hope for Every Smile Handicraft workshop organized by students from the School of Media and Communication. Today we are here to support children with Cleft and Palate by making beautiful bracelets and recording heartfelt encouragement videos to be sent to the children. Now, let's take a look at what's happening. Seems like everyone is making a great progress. So while waiting for them to finish their handicrafts, let's take a moment to speak with our partner, the Cleft and Palate Association Malaysia, in short form, CLAPAM. We'll start by having them introducing themselves.
Okay, first of all, thank you so much for inviting us. So CLAPAM, like you said, stands for the Cleft Lip and Palate Association of Malaysia. We have been around for 30 years and we support the entire cleft community, the whole of Malaysia. From the time cleft is detected, usually during pregnancy, all the way until they become adults.
Okay, and how can I address you?
I can just call me Zainal.
Okay.
Pakcik.
Okay, Ken. So, Encik Zainal, my first question would be, what do you think about our Hope for Every Smile workshop?
I think this is a very fantastic initiative. We really like university students, undergrad, postgrad, to learn a little bit about volunteerism. And I think in Malaysia, there are a lot of opportunities to volunteer, whatever the cause that you want to volunteer for. You want to save a tiger, you want to save a forest. In this case, you have chosen cleft children, and we thank you for it.
Thank you too. What are the most significant challenges faced by children with cleft conditions and their families?
Okay. The challenges varies from age. So when it's young at birth, the challenge with feeding, how you feed the babies with proper nutrition, milk, and so on and so forth. When they go to school, then the challenge is trying to fit in and making sure that they do not feel inferior about themselves. When they grow up, then it's a question of how do you make sure that they get the right career, which is commensurate with their capability.
Right, understood. And what can the public do to support CLAPAM and the cleft community in Malaysia?
Okay. In Malaysia, every year about 800 to 1,000 babies are born with the cleft condition. In order for us to support the community, we need financial support. We need the things that you guys are doing in terms of public awareness. So what you guys are doing is absolutely fantastic.
Okay, thank you Encik Zainal. Now that we have heard from CLAPAM, let's check in with our participants by asking them a few questions about their experience. My first question would be, what motivated you to join today's workshop?
I think the message and the value behind it, I think is very, very, very beautiful.
I feel like doing a good cause for the kids.
I really love the concept of this, and I did not really being a volunteer when I came to Malaysia, so I really loved the fact that I can join today.
Mostly about my curiosity towards this condition because I've never really heard about it before, and as well as like the activities part of it, so I thought it was quite interesting and quite fun to do.
Meaningful to be part of this positive initiative.
So I really like the whole idea of this and it's really cute, so I decided to join this event.
Okay, so because I always wanted to show some love and support to children with cleft lips and palates, I hope by doing this little bracelet make a little changes in their life.
And I would want to make a difference for them, you know, make them to seem more recognized and more seen in this world.
How do you find the experience of creating bracelets and recording encouragement videos?
It was nice to make someone happy and smile, and I enjoy recording the video as well, so I hope that, you know, I could encourage you in some point, inspire you in some point, and yeah.
Can bring joy and encouragement for the cleft lip children and let them know many people are aware of the cleft lip condition.
Today I knew what cleft disorder is, so it was a really nice an opportunity for me.
I think it's amazing because with this activity we can connect and having an interaction with the children with cleft lip and palate.
I find it very meaningful. It's like a very small initiative, like something like this, so yeah.
Both meaningful and fun. It is rewarding to know that our efforts can bring joy and support to the others.
I enjoy doing all the handicraft for all the angel-like children.
I honestly find it a very unique initiative and it's a very nice approach to raise awareness.
And the idea of being able to send a video to the kids was really nice.
Overall, I think it's a fulfilling experience. Something as simple as this bracelet, right? Make them happy.
Who knows that doing something as simple as a bracelet can actually support them and also bring joy and encouragement to them.
I feel like a handmade gift is always better than a one that is bought because you put in effort and you put in the love when you make it.
How does it feel to contribute to raising awareness for the Cleft community?
So actually before this event, even me myself, I'm not really aware about the Cleft patients and also the community. So I think that it is important to raise awareness on this as well. Yeah.
I think I feel honored actually. I feel very honored, yeah.
I feel like I'm fortunate enough to be able to help the Cleft community.
I think it is an opportunity to educate many people to know the cleft lip condition.
It feels very eye-opening and it gives me more experiences in getting to know more about kids who need more help, and I feel like I can, in a certain way, I can give them like a form of help, maybe mentally and emotionally.
For me, I didn't know what was Cleft community until today, and I searched because of this.
Well, it's something that I never thought before, but I feel amazing.
It was really good. I feel really great about it because like this condition, even like before this, I didn't really know much about it. So I actually did really learn a lot and like gain more exposure.
I'm so glad to be part of this activity, even though it is a small act, but it contributes to raising awareness and support for the Cleft community, making a positive difference.
At first, I didn't know what is Cleft lips. And after that, I know there is actually an organization to support all the people like this.
It feels good because I myself have a cousin she's 10 years old now, and when she was born she had a cleft lip. So she had to go through several surgeries to cure her condition. So I understand where this bracelet is going and what it is for.
It's fulfilling to raise awareness for the Cleft community and make a positive impact.
So it feels good, and I hope more kids in the future would know about this issue. Not only kids, but the whole community as well.
I think it's really fulfilling because being able to help the children with cleft lips and palate, and also being able to raise awareness and educate others about their challenges, and also they deserve the support that they need.
I feel really good about myself today because there's this saying, if one person starts, people will start to follow. So for an example, if I'm of this start, like I'm the start of this, it'll be great if someone else follows what I do and also, gives like awareness for this cleft lip and palate children.
I feel a bit proud of myself.
On behalf of the organizing team, I would like to thank everyone for joining us in the Hope for Every Smile Handicraft Workshop. Our team believes that these efforts will bring joy and encouragement to the children and their families. A special thank you to CLAPAM for partnering with us and providing the support needed. Stay tuned for more updates and future events where we continue to make a positive impact together. See you next time!